Hello and welcome. I'm Saqalaksar Dam Lake, peacefully nestled in the village of Saqalaksar, Gilan. My story began in 1983 when a local farmer, Jafar Khoshhal, traveled to Tehran after being named the best farmer in Iran. Instead of celebrating his own success, he spoke about the droughts that were devastating his village. His request moved the government, and soon I was born, a dam to bring life back to the land. Now I offer beauty and calm to all who visit, standing as a symbol of hope and determination. Come, explore my waters and discover the village that made me possible. My name, Saqalaksar, is a blend of three words. Saqal means a place for drinking water, while Lak and Sar refer to birds. I've long been a haven for wildlife, and now my waters support both the creatures and the people of this region. When you hear my name, remember, it reflects the life I provide to everything around me. I stretch across 15 hectares with 600 meters of length and 500 meters of width, inviting visitors from near and far. My waters, fed by rainfall and local springs, have kept this area thriving for years. At 64 meters above sea level, I provide not just peace but life itself, connecting nature and the people who call this land home. Walk along my edges to truly appreciate my beauty. You'll be greeted by friendly dogs, grazing animals, and endless picturesque views. Take a boat ride, picnic by my side, and capture photos of my stunning reflections. While swimming and fishing aren't allowed, the nearby cafe serves Gilan tea and local dishes, and you can even enjoy a barbecue at the shelters. I'm a year-round destination, but visitors say spring and autumn are especially magical. In spring, fresh greenery and light rains add a sense of renewal, while autumn paints the landscape in vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows. These seasonal shifts make me an enchanting sight, no matter when you visit. If you want to experience my beauty, head to northern Iran in Gilan province. I'm just 15 kilometers south of Rasht, along the route between Agha Sharif and Jideh. I can't wait to welcome you and share my natural wonders with you. Well, that's my story, but I have so many more stories to tell, and places like me across Iran can't wait to share theirs too. If you want to dive deeper into these hidden gems and hear them speak in their own unique way, don't just visit. Join our journey by hitting the subscribe button. Together, we'll explore, laugh, and uncover the beauty and stories of every corner of this land. See you on the next adventure.